And this weather video shot by our very own Jim Sion, out working hard this afternoon. And you can see it getting a little bit rough out there, as we did have some showers popping up and developing just along the coast in Lee County and then in portions of Collier County, and still a little bit of rain out there tonight. But we are starting to see it quiet down a little bit. And we'll go ahead and take a look at Viper, and you can see the showers just off the Collier County coast, and then one little shower that's just kind of persistent along Marco Island. And this is a time lapse over the last 2 hours, so we saw them kind of develop across Lee Island and then also in Collier, and continue to push out toward the Gulf of Mexico. So now we are just seeing some remnants, except for that one that has fired up again in Marco Island. But overall, going to be a quiet night. And this was that storm rolling in, and Brian was out at the Sanibel Causeway with his family, and they were kind enough to send this into our storm patrol as well. And we'll continue to watch that. Temperatures, some of them are rain cooled. At Captiva, 79 degrees right now, and we're looking at 77 in Naples. Other than that, it's fairly warm out there still, with Port Charlotte stuck at 89 degrees, Lehigh you're at 84, and LaBelle at 82 degrees. So we're continuing to watch the dew points climbing, and we had such a nice week last week with those dew points nice and low, and this gives us an idea of how much humidity, how sticky it feels across Southwest Florida. And these numbers are kind of high, but what's going to happen is over the next couple of days, we are going to continue to see the dew points get into the lower 70s, and it's really going to be hot and muggy out there. The computer models show the easterly wind is going to persist for the next couple of days, and that just allows the air to move right across the Florida Peninsula and get heated throughout the day. The wind is going to be strong enough where it's going to be difficult for the sea breeze to develop in the afternoons, but eventually it will, and you can see just a lot of moisture in the atmosphere as well. So we are going to see a fairly active day with showers and thunderstorms. This is tomorrow, and you can see Collier County, you start to get them first, and then they will kind of build just like they did today up along the Lee Island coast and then into Charlotte Harbor. Looking at Friday morning, and again, just a lot of moisture, a lot of unsettledness. That easterly wind is going to persist, so the chance for rain in the forecast over the next several days is definitely going to be there. Tomorrow's rain chance is going to be up around 60%. Clouds increasing throughout the day with scattered storms for our inland communities. It is going to be hot with temperatures right around 90 degrees. Wind will be out of the east, and again, they're just going to push right across and heat that air up. Harbor zones could see some coastal morning showers and then scattered afternoon showers. Again, rain chances real good for every community tomorrow afternoon. Coastal communities, you'll see those clouds building. Easterly winds, look at that, 13 to 16 miles per hour, gusting up to 23 miles per hour. Could see a stray morning shower or two along our beaches, and then afternoon showers and thunderstorms in the forecast. 81 degrees is our Gulf temperature. Easterly winds for the boaters, about 15 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet with a moderate chop on the bay and inland waters. Scattered storms and then rain chances decreasing slightly on Wednesday. Thursday, those rain chances coming back up, and it looks like we're just settling into our typical summertime pattern with afternoon showers and thunderstorms. A couple of days this week, we could see just a couple of morning